It is the beast, and today I'm gonna play and to die too. I'm showcasing the car that I told you yesterday. So Lamborghini car. So here's it. We can see that's so fast. Okay, here we are. It's good. It's a good car, but it's not fast. Okay, and our fuel is so low. We are out of fuel and we finished. I'll make 2 matches or 3 so you can see it good. Come on, and here. So that exploded, and that soldier zombie is so mad. And we have a new zombie here, it's so giant. And guys, tomorrow I will be showcasing this car, or after tomorrow, this car fully upgraded, so stay tuned. And let's upgrade our engines and play this map, then I will end the video. So it's a short video, I know, but today I'm gonna make another video. It's gonna be on another game, not this. My channel will be only Android games, so sorry guys, I don't have the Elgato. I don't have the Elgato, so I can make videos of Xbox and PC. I don't know how. So I will make Android videos only. So stay tuned guys, and type in the comment what you want me to play, because I don't know what I will play. So the first thing, you will need to watch the first video I made, and then you will know what you will do. Then you will type in the comment what do you want me to do. So yeah, and this is the last match, and I will end this video. So yeah, and that's all here. I almost out of fuel. Come on, and out of fuel. So guys, we finished the video. See you next time, and see you